Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time I haven't posted anything or created any videos, but today I will make it up for you by talking about a very interesting topic which takes the internet by storm for a while, and it's very trendy, which is how to design your home according to the Feng Shui designs way. And this is gonna be a first video in a new series all about Feng Shui design. But let me first very quick welcome the new friends who decided to join my channel. Welcome guys, if you don't know me yet, my name is Asma Diab. I'm an interior architect and designer, and you are watching Decor Time. And this channel is all about home decor, interior design, tips and tricks to help you if you are remodeling or redesigning your space. So now let's dive in and get started with my video today. Well, first, what is Feng Shui? So in interior design, Feng Shui is the art of placing or arranging your furniture and decor items in your home to help and ease the free flow of qi according to the old Chinese philosophy of how to see and understand the universe. And qi is the energy that runs through all living beings. Or we can say it's the spiritual energy to help become physically stronger, mentally focused, and energized. So Feng Shui originated in China more than 3,000 years ago. The literal meaning of the word is wind and water. And wind and water is like the two main things for good health in Chinese culture. So the Feng Shui in interior design and decorating aims to enhance different aspects in your life by putting you in sync with the environment you live in as energy enters your home. And there are 5 elements in Feng Shui decorating you have to balance in your home, which is wind, water, fire, wood, and metal. So to live your most fulfilling life, your home must balance all the 5 elements in your decor. Each one of those symbolizes certain qualities such as stabilities, wisdom, growth, and creativity. Like when we are talking about wood, this element symbolizes creativity, growth, and vitality. When you're decorating with it, opt for shapes that imitate trees, tree trunks, leaves, or flowers, with colors green and blue. And for the second element, which is fire, fire is for passion, transformation, energy, and enthusiasm. For this element, you can incorporate candles, different type of lighting, as well as decor pieces in red and pink or purple. For the third element, which is metal, it's for logic, efficiency, and precision. And using metal items in spherical and round shapes will enhance the material's productive presence in your home. For element number 4, which is water, it symbolizes spirituality and wisdom. So you can use it as adding mirrors, aquariums, or fountains in irregular shapes to increase relaxation in your space. Last element we have here is earth. So earth elements controls stability, physical strength, and balance. To bring this element inside, decorate your rooms in earthy tones colors. I'm gonna show you some color palette on the screen here to give you some ideas. So you need to incorporate these colors and tones and maybe some images of landscapes or outdoors inside your home. So now, since you are getting familiar with what Feng Shui is and what are the 5 elements of the Feng Shui and how to incorporate this in your home decor to invite positive qi into your home and your space, now there are a few little things, or let's say guidelines, you can apply to enhance this qi and to improve the vibes of your space. Number 1 is keep things clean. Have your place neat, clean, tidy, and uncluttered, because qi needs to flow freely in your home without any obstacles of any clutters. In Feng Shui, clutter is believed to take up valuable of your space and your home that the energy needs. The second thing, declutter your entryway. Because the first place you see when you open your door is an important place to have good energy. In Feng Shui, your entryway represents the way energy enters your home and your life. So get rid of any clutter in the entryway or your foyer. Add some plants or artwork. Do whatever you can or whatever you do to make the area feel inviting. Number 3, check your commanding position. One of the most important principles is the commanding position. So in interior design, we're talking about your main important piece of furniture like your bed, your desk, your stove. Each item represents a specific thing in Feng Shui, and I'm going to talk about this in details in separate videos. So back into the commanding position. The main thing here is to be able to see the door when you're using these items. Can you see it when you are in bed or sitting in your desk? You shouldn't be directly in line with the door, but shouldn't have your back to it either. So I'm going to talk about this in details in upcoming videos. So we're going to talk about how to design each space in your home, like bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, etc., according to the Feng Shui design. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload new video. Another tips here, remove obstacles. It's important to clear obstacles from your path and make your flow as easy as possible. So you need to check your home if there are any things like that. For example, like from your bedroom to your bathroom, from your living room or dining room to the kitchen. Free form tripping hazards, you need to check it and remove it instantly. Or also, like, is there an end table you bump into every day? So clear the way, you have no obstacles. It's one of the Feng Shui design rules. The last tip we have today is go vertical. Integrating some vertical shapes and lines in your home represents growth and expansion. Add some lighting where the lighting travels upward. You can put like a long plants, using bookshelves, trees in the corners. By saying bookshelves, I meant the tall one, not like a horizontal or short ones. So you create vertical lines, vertical shapes for your space. It will help your chi. Okay guys, now we came to the end of this video today. I hope you like it. So if you see this video was helpful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And there is a lot of videos coming up for Feng Shui designs, so don't forget to hit the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload new video. So see you next video. Bye bye.